Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Luna and today we're going to be drawing a penguin. So first we're going to be drawing a little U shape. Like a U. And then we're going to draw a line at the top. Then we're going to draw two lines coming from out of it. It's going to be curved like that. Just do two little lines like that. Okay. So then we're going to be Then we're going to be drawing a line over it like a rainbow in like a heart. So we're going to be drawing it sort of like a heart. Then we're going to be drawing a little normal line. Just a normal curved line, like that. So then we're going to end the line like that. And we're going to do that with the other side too. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like mine isn't either. Then, we're just gonna add little blush. And we're gonna color it afterwards. Then we're going to just add a line so it compares to each other. So it goes to each other. There. So then just gonna go like that. And the line, don't bring it upwards with the pencil. So just leave it like that. Then we're going to be making sort of a rectangle like that. And then we're gonna be doing a little one behind it, a triangle behind it like that. Then we're gonna add little lines. To both of them. Then we're gonna just add like little diagonal lines through all of it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so like that. Next, we are going to be bringing it from here. So if it helps you. So like get from right here and like do a little, like do a little line from here to see if you're right or not. Okay. And then trace it there. So it looks like this so far. And then we're going to be drawing a upside down U. Oh. So first, what I always do is do this. And bring it to the middle. Okay. So we did that. I think I would go a little higher. There. Now, we're gonna do the little feet. This is how it looks so far. We're gonna do the feet now. So, we're gonna do is like 1. Oh, I think let's do it to this side. 1, 2, 3. I would do that, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you could do that, but then that looks like a heel and toe. So. That. And then I will do it straight. Okay, so this is what we got so far. And I just gotta add a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add little hands. Easy, just like little U's. We're using U's a lot. Okay, so like that. Now, just for the last, that makes it look fat, but it's not fat. Now for the last finishing touch. Wait, no, we need it drop. Color. We're gonna add little, like, cotton balls. It might look like I'm doing cotton balls. And then we're gonna bring a line up so it has like earmuffs. Then, for the very last finishing touch is okay. For the last finishing touch is so it's gonna be quiet in here. Okay? It's going to be a masterpiece. Hey, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? I love it here. Gonna be alive. Gonna be the day. winter. It is so cool. I love the winter. It is so cool. It is so cool. Okay, so what we have here is we have a penguin now. I printed another copy of it and I colored it. These might not look the same. This one right here, I drew for my dad when I was in kindergarten. And this one right here is the one I drew now. I was going to compare it and see. They almost look the same, but this one, my first try, I think when you do your second one, it always turns out the way you like it. I've been drawing these for my whole life, and they're just great. Well, in that case, remember to have a holly jolly Christmas.